welcome in the new tutorial. I'm recording this video to give you the understanding till now what we have completed, right? So under the summary section, first of all we have created the sheet 1, and in the sheet 1 we have applied this all the rules. That is over here we have used this equations, for here index match command, here we have used the data validation rule, here we have used the conditional formatting plus what? Right, if, nested if commands. Over here also we have used the if and nested if commands. So finally we have completed this whole sheet. And in the summary section, what we have prepared, we have created the summary dashboard under which we have used over here count a command, count if command, and over here we have calculated some percentage. After that we move forward and we have completed this bar chart creation, and then after that we have created this pie chart. So hope you understand what we have completed till now, and I am providing this sheet as an attachment. Just download it. If you have any query, just go through this once. Still, if you have any sort of doubt, ask me in question answer session. This is just a summary video. I want to explain what we have done till now. So please go through this video and go through this sheet. If any query, drop under the Q&A session. From the next lecture, we are going to prepare our form, Visual Basic form, and we are going to send a mail from this Excel. So stay tuned with the course. See you then. Bye-bye.